So in this video we're going to be looking at the file manager in ApparitionNET Studio. You can access it from this icon right here. So you can click that and click load directories to load your drives. You can also of course access it through the console manager by either double clicking the console or right clicking the console and selecting open in file manager. Now from here you can adjust the size of the window to suit your needs essentially. And of course you can double click your drives to display all the folders and files in those drives. Another thing you can do is you can of course drag and drop files to and from your console. And you can also double click something. So if you want to edit your launch.ini, you can double click it and open it up in Notepad. You can edit your plugins or edit your dash launch settings and then save it, and it will apply that on the console. Quite a few cool things you can do. There's also some other unique things in here that I will be covering in other videos. Also, of course, you can change the view to different, so we can select small icons, or we can select list view right here, or you can even select tile view, or of course normal view, and you can adjust that. You can delete directories, create directories. So for example, if we want to create a directory called test dir for test directory and apply, and that'll go ahead and create our test dir, which is right here. And then you can also copy and paste. So if I want to take, let's say we want to take xbdm, we can copy file and then go into the test dir, and then we can paste file, and that pastes the file in there. So you can copy and paste files as well. And of course you can delete files by just selecting a file and selecting delete. So if we select this and we select delete not directory, that was silly. If we delete file, it will go ahead and delete that file, and if we want to delete a directory, you select delete directory. So that is how you use the file manager. And another cool thing you can do, of course, is launch games from within here as well. So if we want to launch, let's say we want to launch Modern Warfare 3, then we'll open up the Modern Warfare 3 directory. And there's our default mp.xex. You can see the game running alongside here. If I double click default mp and say yes to launch it, then you'll see that the game will launch on the console. There we go. Just like how Neighborhood works when you double click a default.xex. So that is how you use the console manager, or sorry, the file manager in ApparitionNET Studio.